Hello everyone, my name is Raseki Abdul. I study in 2GMT, which stands for Graphic Media Technology. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a photo book in InDesign using XML. I am going to use the personal data of 2GMT students which are stored in an Excel file. Open the Excel file, and as you see, each record is accompanied by a student's image file name. First, I'm going to show you how to export data from Microsoft Excel. In your Excel sheet, go to File, Save As, and under the Save As format, choose Tab Delimited option and click on Save and Continue. Go to the directory where you have saved the file. Open it in a text editor program. As you see, each data are separated by tabs. Go ahead and select all the data and copy them. Now open up regular expression. First of all, delete the existing text and paste our data. By following regex string, we can match all the data in groups so that we simply can generate the XML. Open a group by typing left parenthesis. Type a dot to match all alphanumeric character and a plus to repeat the matches one or more times. Close the group by typing right parenthesis. Use \t to match a tab character. Repeat the short string 4 times to create 4 groups. Use the shortcuts to copy and paste. At the end of the last group, delete the tab string. Here we have 4 groups, and by replacing them inside tag elements, we can generate the XML file. Let's make a child element. I name it student. To create a well-structured XML, make sure that each element begins on a new line. So it will be \r for return and \t for a tab. Make a new subchild element and give the element the attribute href. Complete the href attribute by typing double quotes, file, a colon, and double forward slashes. The first subchild element should include the exact path of the images. To find the path, go to the info palette of one of the images and copy the exact location of the image. Define the root user and paste the image's path, and with the $sign and the related group number, in our case 1, define the image's file name and type a double quote to finish the attribute. Close afterwards the child element with an end tag. Go ahead and create the rest of the elements. The second subchild element will be surname. So the second group. Close the subchild element. Our third subchild element will be name. The third group. And finally, the last group will be class with the fourth group. And do not forget to define the end of the child element student. In regex, we have almost formed a complete XML file. Select all the data and copy them. Open an empty text file in Text Wrangler and paste the data. Type in the first line the XML declaration. So, less than sign, question mark, XML, version, equal sign, double quote, 1.0, double quote, encoding, equal sign, double quote, UTF, hyphen 8, double quote, question mark, and greater than sign. On the next line, describe the root element of the document. and finally on the last line define the end of the root element. The XML file is now fully created. Go ahead and save the file. Give it a name and the extension XML and save it. Now that we have our XML file, create a new InDesign document to receive the XML file. Go to File, New, Document. Let's have two columns and click on OK. Go to View, Structure, Show Structure to open the structure pane. Choose Import XML on the structure pane menu. Go ahead and select the XML file you want to import and select the options and click on OK. This is our root or parent element. These are the child element. Each child element contains subchild elements. Delete all the elements in the structure pane except the first one. We need this one to generate the layout of our photo book. Drag the root element to place it in your document. You can change and manage the elements or delete the unnecessary white spaces in Story Editor. Go to Edit, Edit in the Story Editor. Delete the white spaces that we here have, and we want the surname and name on the same line. Close the story editor, import the XML file once again, select the same file and click on open. This time select the following options and click on OK. The elements will automatically distribute over the document. Link the text frame to have all the data. Here we go. I have already made a paragraph style for our class. I named it class. Go to Windows, Utilities, Tags. You can assign paragraph styles to the tags via the dialog box Map Tags to Styles. Choose the class and click on OK. The corresponding tags of the document will take the styles over. To validate your XML, you need doctype definition. I have already made one for our XML file. Go ahead and upload the doctype definition file in structure pane. Select Upload DTD. Select the file and click on Open. Go on and validate the XML. As you see here, we have no error. You can export the InDesign document as a PDF or an EPUB for e-readers. Thanks for watching.